Hello everyone. So this is the first video in AZ303 series after the introduction. And we are going to cover each and every topic as I said in the syllabus. So we are starting with the storage services. That means implement, secure and monitor storage account. Okay. And we will cover all the features, almost everything which is there in the storage account, which will help us to understand the architect technologies and how we utilize this in the designing. Okay, so we are starting this series with the storage account, and the agenda of this video is at the end of this video you would be able to understand what is storage account, and if required you can explain as well. I will try to create short videos because this helps me. I'm for sure this will help you. Helps me like when I study, it helps me rather than sitting for an hour to understand something. It helps me in small pieces because you can do anything if you disintegrate it like into small pieces. That would help to understand better. That's something that I prefer. So I'll try to make very small topics and try to cover each and everything. If required, we will go more than 10, 15 or 20 minutes. But if we can cover it in like 3, 5 or 7 minutes, we'll try to do it. Most of the time we'll be doing the lab because that's the best way to cement your knowledge. So let's get back to the topic, storage account. So what is storage account? Well, this is the storage service provided by the Microsoft for the uh, data objects. Data objects like what? Data objects like blob, which is binary large object, like object storage, like your videos, your images, those kind of thing. We have files like a file share or that we use for a network drive, queues, which are for the messaging purpose, tables, which is a key value store, disks, which is like we use data disk in the virtual machine. So what is storage account? Storage account is a storage service for the data objects like blob, files, queues, tables, and disks. Don't worry, we will go in depth with each and every topic, each and every feature. So this video is all about understanding the storage account. So as the name says, storage account is for the storage purpose. Storage purpose of what? Storage purpose for the data objects like blobs, files, queues, tables, and disks. Okay, but why we use storage account? Because this is a highly available service, highly durable, highly scalable, and secure, of course. Now, just to relate what I said, let me try to give you this example. Let's suppose there is an application where we can upload videos or images just like Facebook or Instagram or any other application like YouTube. And this application, rather than keeping those videos or images inside the virtual machine, can utilize the blob service of the storage account. Blob service, this is one of the service, as I mentioned at the very beginning. Object storage service of Azure account is blob, which means videos and images, those kind of things, right? So this application will keep those things in the storage account. This will help in various ways. For example, storage account is highly available, durable, scalable, and secure service, which is all taken care by the Microsoft. Second, you need not to arrange so much storage on the virtual machine, right? That those big disks, because storage account you can expand. It will expand automatically. You need not to worry about the size of the storage account. The second thing, if your VM is down, your videos or images are still available, right? And that VM can go down, right? Now, one more thing that storage account gives you, it provides you the namespaces that, and also accessible from anywhere in the world. Don't worry, it's not like unsecure. You can control the access, and there are many ways we can control the access, and we will see that in future for sure. But what I'm trying to say, the objects that you are storing inside the storage account can be accessible from anywhere in the world. Just think about it. Let's suppose you want to uh, share some image or something to other part of the world. You just put it in the storage account, provide the read access to the people who is trying to access, and they can access it. For example, you can put the static is website on the storage account as well. Let me show you what I mean by that. uh, let, so the very first thing is, this is the Azure portal. We all know that. Let's go to storage. You need to type here storage account. We click here, and under the storage account we only have one. We will create in future once we start doing it. This video is only about to understand what is storage account. So if I click here, there's a container, there is one test container, and there is this image, right? If you click on this image, there is this URL. With the help of this URL, if you try to access, you can access this image, right? Oh, I think I okay. Let me get back to my portal. I just closed it. Okay, so right. So this is what I meant by accessible on HTTP or HTTPS from anywhere in the world. So storage account is a huge topic, just like any other topic in the Azure, like network or app services or compute services. So we'll try to cover step by step. So in this video, we understood what is storage account and why we use it, right? So storage service is the service provided by Microsoft for the storage of data objects like blob files, tables, queues, and disks. It is highly available, durable, scalable, and secure service. And we could utilize it many ways as per our requirement. Well, thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.